G'day DIY pool legends. Just wanted to give you a bit of a spoiler alert that this isn't the full length version of this particular video. It's just a little bit of an introduction so you can see the type of information that we do provide, but the full length video is just for our customers. Hope you enjoy watching this short little sample.
G'day DIY pool legends. Well, today we're going to be talking about the bedding layer underneath your pool and how you get that to match the gradient of your pool. What do we mean by that? Well, most fiberglass pools, and certainly ours, have a shallow end, let's say 1 meter deep, and then they have a deep end, which is say 2 meters deep. So you're going to have an angle on the floor of your pool. Your excavation and your bedding layer needs to match the angle of that pool, and that's what we're going to show you today. Now, you might be wondering, what is the bedding material and what is the job of the bedding material? Is basically that is what the floor of your pool is going to rest on. And you've got 20, 30, 40, 60, 80,000 litres of water or 80,000 kilos of weight pushing down onto that floor. You need to make sure that the bedding is nice and level and it does match the gradient of your floor. Now, to do that, you don't need to have a degree in quantum physics. It is straightforward. You do need to head down to your local hire shop and grab a hold of a laser leveler, ask them for a screed bar. You're going to need a shovel. These aren't expensive things to hire. You definitely don't want to work off a tape measure or using the iometer with the good old Shilby Right. There's time as well. So really important when the pool arrives is to measure the shell on arrival as well. Fiberglass pools are manufactured effectively by hand. They're hand sprayed with fiberglass guns. So there can be natural variations in the dimensions of the pool. Not huge, but if you're putting your pool in and every centimetre counts, check measure the shell and then adjust your screed before the pool's landed.
Well, there you have it, just a little sample of the video that we provide. We know from our customers all over the country that these videos make a huge difference to putting the pool in and enjoying the process and getting a fantastic outcome with your DIY pool. The name of the game is you want to absolutely save thousands of dollars on your pool, but when someone comes over and has a look at your pool, they shouldn't be able to tell whether you put the pool in yourself, you used a local installer, or you went to a full service, full price pool builder. And that's what these videos and all of our supporting documentation is all about. If you'd like to learn more, you can get in touch with us through the website and talk to the team. We'd love to hear about your project and how we might be able to help.